Hi Lokesh.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Lokesh?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good, Lokesh. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department, Lokesh. It's just a feedback video from your side. So, yeah, first of all, congrats for your placements, Lokesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Your introduction, your hometown, then your
Um,
education.
yeah, as you know, I am Lokesh Sharma, ma'am, and I am from Bangalore. And I have pursued my Bachelor's of Engineering from Vivekananda Institute of Technology, Bangalore itself, ma'am.
Okay. Your hometown?
Ma'am, actually, it's like pan India, ma'am. I was born somewhere, my parents are somewhere, I'm studying somewhere, I'm going somewhere.
Okay, fine. How did you get to know CMTI, Lokesh?
Actually, I came to know it by one of my friend, ma'am, who was my classmate in Vivekananda Institute, Praveen. I came to know about him through him.
Okay. How did you what and all you learned in CMTI, which was new to you apart from your syllabus?
Ma'am, actually, everything was part new only, ma'am, because we were only bookies at engineering, ma'am. But here we come to know about the real time experience, ma'am. Actually, we learned about reading of drawing, how to compare drawings, and how to actually implement it at site. Then I came to know about the sequence of construction, how from foundation till finishing a building is completed. Then I came to know about quality assurance and cut list. Then how to be roles and responsibilities of project manager. Then I came to know about the interior designings. Then we learned about softwares. Softwares were like SketchUp, AutoCAD, Primavera, MSP. And I came
Okay.
to know about the QS, even, and bar bending schedule.
Okay. This were new to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Then how was the trainer's approach, Lokesh? Whether they were clearing your doubts?
Yeah, actually, trainers were very good, ma'am. So coming up with the most experienced person, Netrajan sir, actually I was very inspired from them, because they had a 35 plus year experience in one of the top companies, L&T. So trainers actually had to clear my doubts, everything, ma'am. If any of the doubt it is to arise, then they have to clear it, ma'am. Even I would like to thanks our head Ashok sir, ma'am, because they used to take soft skills classes. They used to train us how to be at real time, then how to be at and even I would like to thanks SS sir, ma'am. They used to train us the quality. Then Anand sir. Actually, I would like to thank everyone, ma'am. Even the staff, they used to coordinate us very well, ma'am.
Okay. Then how was your site visits and all, Lokesh? Whether you were attending construction or interiors or both the sites you were attending?
I used to attend both the construction as well as interior. I had a site visit at BGRT, Victoria Hospitals. So I came to know about the site condition, real time experience, rather than being bookish. So from being bookish is one thing, ma'am, but site experience is one most needed, ma'am. Because from site only we come to know the actual thing. So site experience was very good, ma'am, very useful.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app?
CMTI app is also most user friendly, ma'am. It's actually easy to use and it has lot of sessions. It has both interior as well as construction. So if anyone has missed the session, they could have access it at home and clear the doubts. And if they have any doubts, they can come next day and even ask it for any experienced person. So it helped us a lot, ma'am. Even there are so many sessions, so that if you have any doubt, we can clear through it, ma'am. It's accessible
Okay.
anywhere, so it's most user friendly.
Oh, you can use it anywhere.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then what about your interview process? How did you crack the interview? Then how many rounds of interview was there? You can just tell about your interview process.
Actually, I cracked my interview in first round itself, ma'am. There was about my self introduction part, much about my project. Then, as I selected in measurement executive, there was much thing about how measurement is being done. What are the first thing you go to site and see, and how is measurement being done? How is the laser instrument being used?
Okay. How was the coordination by the staffs during the placements and the courses and all?
That was very well, ma'am. Actually, they had planned everything before and they have scheduled it so that we could come and access to it. If you have any doubts, we could clear them. Then staff were very interactive, ma'am. They were very helpful enough. Even if we have anything to ask, we can even ask them. And if I need any extra classes to be scheduled, I can inform them. I can join the sessions next day so that it could be helpful for me. Even if I had missed any classes, so that I could have joined next day.
Okay. Then how was your journey in CMTI? Like, how was your experience?
Actually, it was a great pleasure joining CMTI, ma'am. It's been 1 month, 20 days since I have joined, and I did not realize that 1 month, 20 days has been gone so soon. Actually, it was very good, ma'am. I would have even loved it if I would have completed it for 3 months, ma'am. But since I have placed, I need to go. But I would really miss, ma'am, CMTI.
Okay, Lokesh. And finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Actually, I would like to wish them all the best, ma'am, because there are lots of opportunities being coming. There are many roles and responsibilities coming, and which is guided by Sweta ma'am, Deepa ma'am. So I would say them be confident and bold enough and grab the opportunity wherever. We don't think about the positions or locations, ma'am. Just as a fresher, we need some experience, ma'am. So I would tell them all the best and go wherever necessary.
Yeah, that was a good feedback, Lokesh. Thank you for that.
Thank
And
you.
once again, congrats for your placements and all the best for your future, Lokesh. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.